Good morning, Standard 7. I am going to continue chapter 4, the excretory system. And in this video, I am going to explain you about the urinary system. Dear student, what do you mean by urinary system? The system which used to remove waste out of the body in the form of urine, known as urinary system. Urine used to consist, or the composition of urine is water, urea, uric acid and nitrogenous salt. So dear student, in this video I will explain you about the functioning of kidney. So the urinary tract used to consist the organ like kidney, a pair of the bean-shaped kidney, ureter, the pipe through which the waste, including the water, used to pass through this particular pipe known as a ureter and collected in bladder known as urinary bladder. And the waste used to come out of the body through the opening known as a urethra. So dear student, let us know about the kidney's location and function. Kidney, a pair of bean-shaped kidney located just side of our backbone or back of the stomach, you can say. Just both side of the backbone, a pair of kidney is located, which is the main excretory organ of the human body. So let us know its main function. Dear student, kidney used to remove the waste like urea, uric acid and nitrogenous salt, and these waste products are produced due to the breakdown of the protein or the old cells. The old cells and this protein used to break in our organ known as liver, and where this particular source used to break or the particular nutrient used to break, it used to produce three main products. Waste product like urea, uric acid and salt. The salts are being carried by the blood and enter to the kidney by the help of the renal artery. Renal artery used to bring all the waste along with the blood and enter to the kidney. Kidney used to absorb all this waste and again the fresh blood goes to the body. All the waste are being carried by the help of ureter. The pipe you can see here, a pipe connected from kidney to the urinary bladder known as ureter. This particular pipe used to carry this waste, urea, uric acid, salt, also extra amount of water, and all together it is known as urine, which is collected in the urinary bladder. And later on, time to time, it used to come out through the opening known as urethra. Dear student, let us know the next diagram. It is known as a nephron. What is nephron? The functional unit of the kidney is known as nephron. Millions of nephron are in each kidney, and main functioning is being done, or main work is being done by the nephron only. So let us understand about the nephron. Dear student, pay attention to this diagram. The cup-shaped structure you see here, this cup-shaped structure is known as a Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule, whereas the blood along with the toxic waste like the urea, uric acid and the salt is being entered to the or put it inside the Bowman's capsule by the help glomerulus. Glomerulus. Here all the toxic waste is being absorbed and passed through this particular pipe known as a renal tubule. And further it used to form collecting tubule. Dear student, you see here the branches. These all are the branches where the nephron, the particular head of the nephron is being connected, and all together the renal tubule used to form collecting tubule, and finally it used to make a single pipe known as a ureter, which used to put out the waste and send to the urinary bladder. So dear students, the blood brought by the artery, renal artery, entered to the Bowman's capsule. This particular structure is known as the Bowman's capsule, and it was being discovered by the scientist Bowman's. And by his name only, the structure's name is Bowman's capsule. In Bowman's capsule, artery which used to branch into the fine capillaries and make a plexus or network of the blood vessel and form glomerulus. And in this particular structure only the absorption of this all the waste used to take place. All the waste are being absorbed by and pass through this particular renal tubule, which further it used to form collecting tubule. Collecting tubule used to unite and form ureter, and this particular ureter's main function is to carry the waste from the kidney to the urinary bladder. When the amount of the urine in the urinary bladder is full, time to time it used to come out through the urethra. So dear student, kidney is the main excretory organ and known as a urinary system because it used to remove urine out of the body. And as I told you, the composition of the urine is urea, uric acid, salt, and also extra amount of the water is being removed by the help of the urinary system, which used to purify our blood by removing the waste like urea, uric acid and salt. So dear student, now we came to know about the functioning of the kidney and also about the structure, or you can say the unit of the kidney. The functional unit of the kidney is known as a nephron. I also explained you about the how blood is being purified by the help of the nephron. So dear student, please you read the topic and try to learn about the functioning of the urinary system. Thank you dear students.